What you are about to see is real. When possible, actual members of the families have participated in recreating events. Viewer discretion is advised.
Tonight, on Mysteries Unknown. They say only the good die young. But what if the good didn't have to die at all? The legend of the Fountain of Youth has tantalized explorers throughout history. And it was no different for Dr. Burton Northrup, a disgraced archaeologist and known occultist, who traveled to the Andes Mountains in hopes of finding Paramo, a city shrouded in fog and myth, a legend of people who never grew old. Be warned, what he found may shock you. It is a story of madness and obsession, corporate espionage, and one very, very large rock. Northrup went searching for answers. But the more he dug, the more he found himself buried in mysteries unknown.